Hello, everyone. My name is Ignacio Llorente, CEO of OpenNebula Systems. Welcome to a new edition of the OpenNebula conference. Thanks for joining us. This is our 9th OpenNebula conference. We organized our two first conferences in Berlin in 2013 and 2014, the next two editions in Barcelona in 2015 and 2016, then in Boston and in Madrid in 2017, then in Amsterdam in 2018, and the last one was held in Barcelona in 2019. And after postponing this event twice due to COVID, we decided to go virtual. Well, since our last edition in October 2019, the cloud and edge computing market has changed following four main trends. First, in order to expand service availability and achieve low latency, many companies are bringing their enterprise cloud to the edge. Secondly, we know that in order to reduce vendor dependency and optimize costs, companies had to adopt a multi-cloud and hybrid cloud strategy. Third, there is a skills gap that is delaying cloud migration. And fourth, containers and orchestration have grown exponentially over the past few years. And we know that COVID has contributed to speed up the adoption of cloud computing and these trends. The important thing now is that these four trends are taking us to the cloud edge continuum. This is, in our view, the future of enterprise cloud computing. So it's no longer only about the enterprise cloud on premises. It's about how to manage, how to orchestrate resources and capabilities from different types of providers. The strategic challenge for the enterprise cloud is how to make IoT, edge, cloud, and data center converge towards a computing continuum to support the execution of any type of workloads, VMs, Kubernetes, clusters, or containers. That is our vision. What about our mission? Our mission as open source project is to bring real freedom to your enterprise cloud built on this cloud edge continuum. We want you to have freedom to control, which means that you can have your own custom approach to security privacy management. Your freedom to choose, so you can choose between different infrastructure components and cloud providers. And freedom to change, which means that you can avoid easily vendor locking and you can repatriate and migrate workloads across different providers and across data center and the public and edge cloud. In order to fulfill this mission, OpenNebula unifies public cloud simplicity and agility with private cloud performance and security. OpenNebula brings many benefits. For example, it brings the power of simplicity because it provides a single control panel that unifies management across the hybrid multi-cloud continuum. It provides an elastic and fully automated way for the management of the underlying infrastructure. For example, with OpenNebula, in only 5 minutes, you can deploy a cluster on-prem or on the cloud. It's completely vendor neutral, so it allows you to grow your enterprise cloud with resources from bare metal cloud providers. It provides unmatched flexibility because it's infrastructure agnostic and allows you to design and build a cloud that meets your needs. It's scalable. We have users, we have customers running infrastructure with tens of thousands of nodes, and it's quite effective because it reduces TCO between 75 and 90% compared to VMware and Red Hat OpenStack. OpenNebula offers key features to solve the toughest cloud challenges of the cloud edge continuum. OpenNebula enables to execute any application from Kubernetes to virtual machines or any infrastructure from VMware to HCI-based KVM deployments or any cloud from on-premise to multi-cloud edge. And all these features are developed thanks to our open innovation. We are a highly innovative company. 40% of our development effort is to develop new features that are not mainstream right now, but they will be demanded in the medium and long term. And this is done in the context of multiple innovation projects. Other 40% of the features are demanded by partners, users, and customers. This is by you. 20% of our time is invested in maintenance and bug fixing. Coming back to this event, this is an OpenNebula conference. You know, OpenNebula conference are learning events that include use cases and technical sessions for those of you interested in hybrid, multi-cloud and edge, in Kubernetes and containers, interested in building open source private clouds, VMware private clouds, or interested in innovation in cloud and edge computing. Today, just after my presentation, you will have keynotes covering the OpenNebula roadmap, the community ecosystem, and the partner alliance. Then you will have talks by our two sponsors or partners, Limbit and Starpool, and of course, do not forget to visit the virtual booths. And then we have 11 presentations with use cases from companies and public institutions running OpenNebula to build their cloud and edge services. Tomorrow, we will enjoy 4 solution keynotes from OpenNebula experts, covering how to build a cloud with open source software, how to build a cloud on VMware, how to run Kubernetes, and how to extend your private cloud with edge and public cloud resources. Then we'll have 8 community presentations by companies showing their integration with OpenNebula. On Thursday, we'll have 2 live panels. The first one about what edge computing means for the telecom industry and about the future of edge computing. And of course, last but not least, we will also have a final live session where you will have the opportunity to interact live with the OpenNebula experts. I would like to thank all the speakers, all the people that have been involved in organizing this event. And of course, I would like to thank our 2 sponsors, Limbit and Starpool. I would also like to invite you, to check out our new stable release, OpenNebula 6.4. We are looking forward to your comments and to your feedback. This is very important for us. More now that we are now defining the roadmap for the next version of OpenNebula, so any feedback will be more than welcome. Thank you very much, and I really hope you enjoy the OpenNebula conference. Thank you.